Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. I'm back with a brand new video. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how you can send Bitcoin from Cash App to another wallet. I'll be guiding you throughout this video. Make sure to watch this video till the end. So then let's get started. So first of all, you'll have to log into your account, and once you're logged into your account, next tap on the icon located in the bottom left corner of your screen. After you tap on the icon, on the other interface will be directed to the investing page. So right over here, you'll have to tap on the send or receive button located in the bottom right corner of your screen. After you tap on the arrow icon, there's a drop down menu. So right over here you have a multiple options. So then you'll have to tap on send Bitcoin, which is right in center. So enter the amount of Bitcoin that you want to send or transfer to another wallet. And once you're done entering the amount, tap on withdraw, which is right at the bottom. Now you have to enter the wallet address, so you can simply scan the QR code. In case you're not able to scan the QR code, then tap on enter manually, which is right at the bottom. And then on the other interface, you can simply paste the wallet address of your destination. And once you're done entering the wallet address, tap on next, and then on the other interface you'll have to review all of your information, and once you're done, tap on confirm. On the last interface, you'll also be notified that the Bitcoin has successfully transferred to another wallet on your device. So that is how you can send or transfer Bitcoin from Cash App to another wallet on your device. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.